breaker
Uh-huh.
that feeds
That water.
that water heater.
Okay.
It's a 240 volt, 30 amp breaker. It should be reading somewhere between 220 and 240 volts, right?
Right.
And it's reading
233.
233, which is a good
Okay.
voltage.
Okay.
And it should be pulling somewhere under 20 amps.
Yeah.
And
So all you gotta do is check one of the. There you go.
yeah, you only get one wire with the amp probe. And it's reading 18.2 amps.
So 18.2. If you multiply that, that's the voltage.
Times,
18.2 times 233
yeah.
volts. I'm sorry, that's the amperage times the volts. Is 4,240 watts. That's a 4,000 watt heater. So it's everything's working the way it
It's a
should.
4,000 to 5,500
Okay,
watt.
I have a question. What about the wire? The wire is the correct one? Because what kind of wire is that
the
one?
wire is not correct. That should be a number 10
Okay,
wire
I
instead of a
know.
number 12.
But it's not causing any problems.
It's not causing a problem.
Under code, it should be a number 10 wire.
Right.
Under
Okay,
code.
so
on the code.
Okay.
Under code,
But it's not causing a problem.
Okay.
it's not causing the problem.
Okay, if we put another water heater, it's gonna work. So if we put the thermostat in the element, new one, so why is doing the problem? So it's the water heater? That's what you
It
say?
must be the water heater. We got the right voltage, the right amp.
Yeah,
Okay, so let me tell you-
and we're pulling 18 amps, which this is a 20 amp wire.
Okay, well, I'm not
It's a
electrician.
20 amp wire, but
Okay.
it's taken
And
by a
just so
30
you
amp
know-
breaker. That's what makes it wrong.
These guys are electricians.
According to the national, I'm a master electrician.
No, I'm not. Okay, so I'm not just say yes,
Okay.
so we
Yeah.
change it to the water heater.
Yeah. So I mean, functionally, it's working correct. But as he said, technically, the wire for this 30 amp breaker should be a 30 amp rated wire. That would be a number 10.
Right.
But
Right.
functionally, it's working. Nothing. I mean.
And we're only pulling 18 amps, so
So actually, the wire, is, yeah, from the wire standpoint,
yeah,
it's
the
good.
wire's not going to heat up.
A number
at
12 is
18
good for 20 amps.
Okay. No, let me tell the contractor so